Hi idea patrons. So always living up to a tagline, you desire, we innovate. Launching to you first in class online refueling system, i.e. that you can now refuel your motorcycle while you're riding, and it is a completely safe system. As I go through this video, I will explain to you how we have ensured various aspects, automated system, so that you can just ride in peace without having to run out of fuel. Let us say today is the day, and we're calling it Adia Refuel. Let's say today is the day I want to go for a long ride, so I'll typically be riding my motorcycle like this. It will only have the mounting plate, and there would be an opening for the fueling system to get connected, which is tied to this cable over here. So typically you'll be riding the motorcycle just like that, right? Just like that, and obviously this cable, the connecting cable will be harnessed properly so that it's not loose, and that's how I would typically ride. Let's say today is the day when I want to go for a long ride. What I would first do is, the most important part before I do anything else, step one is to replace my stock fuel cap, whatever cap you are using, with the Adia breather cap. This is a breather cap. When you blow into it, it allows excess air vapor to come out from the cap. Okay, so that's step one. Step two. You want to come close? So there are two notches we have given on the mounting system here. On these notches go these carriage bolts, which are welded onto the frame. So it's a very simple thing. Align that. Once you have aligned this, now we will just put the bolts. Pause it, Muti. So what you need to do is, after the carriages are aligned, there are two restraining bolts that we give. Please always ensure that these restraining bolts are placed after you have aligned this. The purpose of the carriage is only so that I don't have to keep holding this while tightening the bolts. It's easy for me because the carriage bolts will make sure that the bolts fall in line with the mounting plate tap threading given. Pause my video. My next step is to take my power supply cable. There is a plug given here, waterproof plug. You can just plug it in, right? My step two is to unscrew the circlip given on this. Sorry, the tube clamp given on this. Connect this tube to this one over here. So this much is enough, and all I now need to do is to make sure that I torque it back. Pause, Mari. So now actually I am good to go, and hopefully you've already refueled. If you have not refueled your auxiliary tank, then all you have to do is this. It opens like a normal jerry can, and you can put it here. We would be going forward supplying two-way system, wherein you get a 5-liter tank this side, 5-liter tank this side, a two-way system, so that the whole motorcycle is balanced even if you load both of them fully. This one we are recommending you can go up to 7 liters on a single side one. Now I will explain the salient features later on. Let me show you the magic. So all I have to do is to get my bike on. Now it's a very safe system. It is not that when I press just one button the system starts. The system will only start functioning when I have switched on this and I press this. Now if you hear the beep, that means your system is now engaged. So I'm just removing the cap so that I can show you the fuel flowing through. So the moment I press this, hopefully you can hear the sound of the... Oh. So I'm just showing you with this tube. Normally this is not the tube. You would be using a smaller tube inside so that whatever fuel is coming up, it doesn't hit the cap. It straight away goes inside the fuel tank. Now let's say I've switched on the system. As you can see now it's fueling. Is it visible in the video? This is fuel coming in from the auxiliary tank. Now the thing is, it's a very fast fueling system. It can fuel up to 2.2 liters in a minute. In 60 seconds you will get 2.2 liters transferred from that fuel tank to this fuel tank. Now I'm just going to remove this pipe. So ideally in the kit you get a pipe like this, which ensures that whatever fuel is coming here, it all goes down. Now I will start the system again. As you can hear I hope you can hear the fuel going in. So it has, the buzzer is there. As I said, please always use the idea breather cap. Hope you guys like it. Few quick overview on the safety feature. The kit comes with an auto solenoid valve which opens the air supply into this tank, so that this tank doesn't become a vacuum when it is sucking fuel out. The breather system ensures that the tank doesn't expand at all. Any amount of fuel coming in, air compression, it will just exhale the air out of there. You can use it at any speed. All the hoses, everything is completely covered. The whole jerry can system is actually mounted on a very ruggedized TIG welded frame, so it is very strong. It is not going to go anywhere. All high tensile bolts used. The motor plug is waterproof, and that's pretty much it. When you are not using the system, when you remove the system, although the air supply gets cut with the solenoid valve, will request you to close it. That's all. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.